What's up everybody, Mr. Ball back at it with another item for you. Nothing too special. We just have the Anker PowerBrick. 20,000 MAUs, milliamp hours. H's anyway, MAH. And yeah, I've been looking at this for about a year thinking, do I really need it? Because I have the Ryobi, batteries, and I have the inverter. But I was like, you know what, let's get it smaller, it's handy, and it supposedly charges your devices 5 to 6 times. So without further ado, let's open it up. Amazon is normally $59, and got it on sale for $49. This is the most popular one, and I trust Anker. I have 4 products already. Some noise canceling headphones over the ear. I have 2 speakers, small ones, 1 big speaker, and what else do I have that's Anker? And then this is the 5th item. So here we go. Let's get right into it. Well, if I can get it out. It's pretty heavy too. There it is. You got your bucket and filet. And some little accessories. Let's see what we have in here. This is USB regular and USB-C. Pretty cool to have the little sleeve there. Alright, so without further ado, let's open this up. So we have the USB to USB-C, and this should be USB-C to USB-C. And the good thing is I have the MacBook Pro PowerBrick, so that would charge this pretty quick versus if you use a regular wall charger, like the fast Samsung charger, something like that. They say it takes 20 hours. Or bad girl, this thing is heavy. So there it is. So just to give you a close-up on that, looks really nice. If we can get that to focus in, I like that texture that's on there. There's the back of it. There's the specs. Here's the bottom, the side, and the top. Pretty simple. USB-C. This is in to charge it and out. And then the iQ. I think this one's 18. I think that's 20 watts. I'm not sure, but this is a 20 watt battery. Press it. Looks like it has 2 lights, so that means it's half full. So again, supposedly it takes a long time to charge, but it's supposed to charge the phone 5 times, the Galaxy, the iPhone, like 4.5, a tablet, 2.5 to 3. And it's highly rated, 5 stars all the way across on Amazon. So pretty nice. And I'm happy with my other Anker products, so this should work just fine. Let's go ahead and test it out, why don't we? While we're at it. So what I'll do is I'll connect the regular USB to it and see how it does. Let's see. Okay, right off the bat it starts to charge, no problem. You don't even have to push the button to turn it on. Let's see. And let's go USB-C to USB-C. There it is, it's charging. So there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and charge this bad boy up all the way before I use it. And that's it. So if you have any questions on it, definitely ask, and we'll talk to you on the next one. Peace out.